some guys were talking about highway speeds and the 321 gears with the bigger tires and the 8-speed. I've got the cruise set at 70. It's holding steady in 8th gear. It has for a while. If I go up an incline or have a headwind or something like that, yes, it will shift to the 7th more than I'd like. But I mean, it's sitting at 1,500 RPMs, 70 miles an hour, just so we're not going downhill. So, anyways, real quick video. I was going to show you something. There's temperatures. Let's see here. Tire pressures. Let's see. Yeah, so they're all at 40 to 42. 40, 41, 42, whatever. I can actually feel a headwind now, but I mean, it hasn't shifted out of 8th gear in the last, I don't know, 10 miles. We had a little bit of an incline earlier. I got to slow down. This is my exit. But like I said, we got a headwind, 5 mile an hour wind. I don't know. Anyways, I will record another one going the other way. Maybe I'll make a little YouTube video out of it. So pretty fun shit. Pretty exciting. Love the 8-speed. With the 35's, it's not that bad. So some guys say it's slow as can be. I mean, I think it still moves out pretty good. So anyways, enjoy it. Enjoy the old video here. We'll throw it up on YouTube, and I gotta figure out a different app for this shit, because like I said, I keep holding the phone in the World Star portrait mode, not landscape. So super ghetto. All right, love y'all. Happy Friday.